anywhere you see smoke, you're gonna see fire. Chopping up, peeps. Yes. Yeah, so we season it up. So look pretty already. All the gravy are dry out. Yeah, boss. What's that?
That's too much meat on here, is it?
Yeah, man. What going on, my beautiful peeps? Big up on yourself whether on the yard or abroad. Right now, as you see, I'm there on a bush. Around the spot, I'm pack up the whole heap of fire tick them. Remember when the storm be blow on the guinea tree and the neesberry tree and whole heap of them tree that they tear down. Yeah, man, I pack up them around here, so I want them to burn coal and at the same time to want them to cook with, because right now I want to deal with some rice and peas in the evening, and I want to jerk some pork and deal with some pasta and make some natural gravy. So me the around here right now want some fire tick. You know what I mean? So see, them cut to size already, you know. Yeah, man. So I just look for the solid one them want. The guinea one them solid. Them here come from off of the fencing. Yeah, I forgot what them are name. Them are light. You know what? I don't want them there. Them they burn out quick. But like the guinea. Yeah, man, like them here. Yeah, man, you just chew them. Oh, that's so. Just go through. Yeah, see them, nice size. See them? Nice fit. Just chew them out. Yeah, man, that one is not so dry. Now if you look for the one them cut small, the smaller piece then dry more faster than the bigger piece them, so I look for the smaller piece then. Then I'm going to use cook my dinner. So hurricane, the hurricane only make it easier for me. I have a whole heap of fire to can cook the beers. So I'm going to catch up my fire here now and start my cooking and make you see what I'm going. Subscribe to the channel. Catch up my fire now, and what I do, I have some charcoal we already catch because I boil the peas from morning, because you don't know in Jamaica no fire time we don't really pressure peas, we just put it on from early. So I boil the peas from early this morning, so I have some fire coal leaf. So what I just going to do, just going to put against them fire tick here. Anywhere you see smoke, you're going to see fire. So when you see smoke, little bit after that, fire go blaze up. Yardman style. Breeze a blow. It's a good look. Look at that. Fire do what, my peeps. Good time to turn on the camera. The fire catch up. Yeah, man, it's a good look. The fire catch up. Yeah, man, nice day yard. You know what I mean? Pretty. Wow, look at this. Look on the butterfly on the lime. Wow, take a picture. That's nice. Yeah, man, fully active. See, jerk pan I want jerk the pork in, just clean it up. Yeah, man, with some fab and bleach. See it a shine. Yeah, man, just clean it up. But yeah, so you know, see the pork, yeah? I'm going to chop up the pork. You know what I mean? Because it's seasoned up already, you know. I have this when I don't want jerk at the fun fest. You know what I mean? But it happened where time to catch up, so I couldn't even bother jerk, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, in a real life. So I line up now for jerky. So look on it. It's well seasoned up already. You know what I mean? So I'm going to chop off piece of here now and put in other water here with some browning and some seasoning, all of them things. So just stay tuned. Yeah, I go see how I deal with it. Yardman style, sunrise bar style. You know them way there. Yeah man, in a real life man. Fully active man. Yo, pork are nice still, you know. Yeah man, what the end time we brown stew it. It nice man, in a real life. Chopping in up peeps. Yes. So I go on. Yeah man. And watch ya. Put him in a pot so. Yeah, so we season it up. But you don't want to fly run in. But just put in a pot for now. Chop yourself again. Walk a run. Release him in a pot. Which part of it can bust up? Yes sir. You see a piece of it. The brown stew, one of them there. Can't eat off everything in a one day. After that, this now we just have to put this in our fridge. And the season the pot now, I make you see how the season pot. Subscribe to the channel. I forgot wash off the whole of the table, but look here, the whole of the seasoning this is not drain from the time I eat, you know. Yeah man, the whole of the seasoning. No fly can run in. Take care of yourself. Bleach water phone. Season up the pork pattern. You know, when you go scar off the pork, if you have no old skeleton and no old time, you need to hold it up every day for a long time. You know any time you can use them. Just wash them off. Yeah man, and pop them up. Put them in oil. So all of them there, I go scar off. Onion same way. Put in onion, and you know this, the good old rosemary. Yeah man, rosemary have a nice flavor in it peeps. Some browning, you don't want too much because you don't want your pork to be black, but at the same time on the browning I go give it that little color in there, you see it. Some all-purpose season, jerk season, everything in it. This is the key of the pork, you know, you have to season it up from here so. Make it boil in the water. So just a normal all-purpose season. You have to make him boil. All I seasoning boil in the water peeps. So when you start jerk the pork, nice. Now you can go one side. Keep a little salt. Don't want too much salt, you know, because I don't canned pork. And this now I put all ginger. Dice up ginger and put in it, you know, what nice with the ginger. Yes, crush it. See me? And put in that. Yeah, man. Whoa, pot pull up too much. Push up the fire so the fire can get the blaze. And make it pork one scald off. So you see when this done scald now, at that time then I put it on the jerk pan. But me, when I grill my pork, I like to scald it off first. So right now, it has scald off. Subscribe to the channel. So I go on with the pork here now. Fire take it, you know. Yeah man, fire take it. Okay. Yeah man, see it catch a brown color there. The color that I talk about. So when you go up on the grill now, the grill you make it catch a final color where you want. You see pretty? Yeah man, but look on it. Fire take it. Yeah man, it's a good look man. I love the vibes. Yes, fire. Fire burn red. Yeah man. Soon can start grilling me now too. forward no man. Yeah man. But when I go, I'm not gonna for ya so. Some pimento leaf me there look. Yeah man, I look some natural spice in our bush. Yeah man, then I have some pimento leaf. Yeah. I want to use them to jerk the pork. Cause I'm dinner me I deal with dinner so. I'm dinner fully active. Yeah man, so I go wash off them here now. Put them pan the jerk pan. And then I put the pork pan them, you know what I mean? So I put them in the pan the grill, and then I put the pork them pan it. So now I see what I go on. Yo, smell it in the camera, smell it. Yo. Woo! Smell good. Pimento leaf. So forward at Jamaica, you go back up. Anyway, you stay, ask me if I can get some pimento leaf. You see, this good with anything or everything in a cooking. So catch when time I reach back the yard. Active. Wash them after now. Fire ketchup, you know. Then you just put them down like this. Then I go put the pork on it. And that I go give pork a nice taste. One pimento leaf settings. Yeah man, you see it? Fully active yard man style. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take off the pork from for the fire cause you know say it done you know. Yeah. See it yeah. Walk over here so resting down here so boy. Look like juice I go spill boy so it go. Yeah man, fully active. Look funny. See it? Pretty. So I just go so you know. Put him on the pimento leaf. Make him sit down on the pimento leaf. Hey, just pork for dinner. I know nothing normal. What a piece around them and taste a piece around peeps. Yeah, man. Good. It tastes good. Right. So I'm going to lock it down and make it jerk pan and the fire. Do your work. Yeah man, all the onion, everything when me there boiling it same way. And I put it on the jerk pan same way. Yeah man. Kill this everything. Some juice same way. Big lifestyle. Just Japanese rice pot. Season it up already. I know peas now. The peas cook already. I throw in the coconut milk. Throw in some scallion and thyme and green pepper with salt. Yeah man, with some oil. So right now I wait for the coconut milk to boil up. As soon as it boil up, I can put in the rice. You know say this the pork just call off, you know, so I always have this water here because I want it to wet up the pork. Not make it get too dry. You see, pray? So as soon as this start boil up, I can put in the rice. Fire burn ready. We have to wash the rice. I'm washing. I have my soak here off in some water. Pot a boil up now, so I time to put in that pot. That pot a bubble up. setting. Rice and peas setting the free. Rice in a pot you know. Then I can turn you know. Yeah man. Pimento leaf them and get crisp. That's good. Yeah, man. So then all of them are drop in the fire you know and start blaze. Nothing normal. Oh, you drop off. Yeah, all the bone are left in meat. Pork or grill. Just done cut up them some onion, Irish and carrot. It's a mixed vegetable, you know what I mean? So I use the mixed vegetable also. I want to fry up them here and make some natural gravy. The cornmeal and the mackerel, I cook some dark food, but I want to make some natural gravy. You know what I mean? Yeah man. Some barbecue sauce, molasses, ketchup. I have some white sugar in this. I have a vinegar there, so talking about that to this can come off a fire. Yeah man, my pasta. You can go there, so soon deal with you. As you see, I have to catch up on next fire, you know, peeps, cause the rice pot, you know, you want too much fire under it, so I have to move some of my fire, but look for the rice. Yeah man, the rice come down good. Rice looking nice, shelly, and look good. Pretty, you see pretty? Yeah man, so it's a good look. See what I go on I jerk pan here now. Yeah man, we just put in some more fire coal. So see it there? The pork them a jerk. So it's a good look. You know what I mean? By the time if you don't make me gravy, then I'm supposed to finish jerk cause I catch up the fire, see it there? The fire burn the red pan them here now. So when I jerk already. See it's a good look. And I feel say I should have take out piece and chop it up fine. And fry it up and then I make the gravy with it. What you think? Also the same gravy I can use it. Base over it. You know, I feel say that I gotta do. Chop up one little piece fine. And make some make a gravy. I feel say I can use this. Alright, you go on the cutting board. Next time you see that thing cut up fine. And I go fry up in some oil, make some natural gravy. You see, pre? Yeah man. Fully active. Stuff I must fry up there now, you know. And as you see, I don't have no whole heap of oil in the pot. But I chop up some of the pork fine and I fry it up back with all of them here. You see it? Then I go throw in me. Stuff them in here now. Barbecue sauce. Some white sugar. Little molasses. Some ketchup. pretty already. Yeah, man, that me on top about. See, look pretty. Put you in little vinegar in here. Yes. Look on it, my babes. Throw a little water in here now and make all of them stuff they cook. You know what I mean? But look on it pretty though. Fully active. Lime tree load, you know. Every lime on the lime tree fit. Now I use some of them make some lemonade in the evening too. Upon this one, one that one. Yeah man, I cut this and put in my gravy. Pork are going with things. Pot a bubble. Squeeze in the lime. Yes. You eat hot, you know. Stirring. Fully active. So I'm just going to cover up the pot now and make this cook. When I'm done cook, I'll show you what I go on. But look at that bubble. So it's fully active, man. Yeah, see that? Whole heap of lime or ripe lime up on the tree. Yeah man, Father God love that, man. This is a line that must stay up on the tree and fit. And then when them drop off, that's the time when you pick them up. Yeah man, them a drop off a tree, so I use them here. Make some juice, some lemonade. How old is 45? 45. Try. The round there beard himself with him tongue. And him teeth. 45. Yo. Big man, you know your man a call you. Yeah? What? Yeah, your man a call you. Yeah man, 45 active, so I mix some lemonade here now too. Big up yourself, 45. Lime tree active. Aye. Food do a peeps. Food done cook. Wow, and my gravy a dry out. Look on this. All the gravy a dry out. Look at him thick up and nice. Yeah man. You know me just line up me pasta. Some good thing left me put on all the dog food cause the pasta done. And my rice done. Yeah man, so the pasta and the rice done. The gravy it finished. And up here so the jerk pork need just a couple more minutes and then it finishes it pre. So when we're ready to share out some food, I make you see what I go on. But yeah man, next 10 minutes time food can share out my peeps. Fully active. Out there so you come consider and eat the thing easy. Man boss I eat the food. What I go and feed to taste?
Yes, food.
So I eat half all of that?
Maybe.
Yes sir?
Maybe.
Alright, maybe. I go all of fresh before me eat some food still. But look the peeps, the man boss I mash up him food in a real life outside. Yes. Dog Camille. A ton me peeps. One can see mackerel all boat tonight. One ton camel and mackerel for animals them.
You don't want it?
Yeah boss. What's that?
That's too much mayonnaise.
Belly well full. I really thought man because man going on food.
I'm going to beard after this.
Yeah, beard now. Well, me beard before me eat. So when me eat now and lay down, me I go lay down. Fully active. Food finally ready now. Food ready long time too. But we go all fresh. Before me start digging at it. Yeah, mom. Okay. Lemon here. Lemon here juice active. You know the lime that you pick from the tree. And just squeeze in some water and throw in some sugar in it. And so make me come with me lemonade. So just do the right thing. Subscribe to the channel. Remember to tell a friend. Everything active. Food bad. When we develop on the dog food, make us so gone. Lemonade done already. The way it nice, it done already.